guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. So you can get a family member, a friend. You can even do it yourself. Get your selfie stick. Corey saying, so I guess I need a membership.
Absolutely do.
Yes, you do, honey. You do. If you want to do it like a pro, now you can go out there and try to wing it, you know, or self-teach. I'm not against self-teaching, but it just takes longer. And then, again, the community gives you that support you need. Andrea saying, like a pro. Right, that's how we notarize over here. Uh-oh, hold on.
Uh-oh.
Hold on, y'all. Yeah, that's how we notarize over here like a pro. Honey Babe said like a pro. Hey, Mrs. D, how are you? Corey even know. Corey knew with us. Corey says like a pro. Come on, Corey. Come on through. Winona says, you want to read that comment, babe?
She says, I'm new to notary. I haven't done anything yet. I'm signing up for your program.
Come on through, Winona. We'd love to have you. Yes, let's get started. What state are you in, Winona? What state? And what state are you in, Corey, too? I'm just curious. It doesn't matter because we teach nationwide. We teach nationwide. S. Thompson says, love it. Definitely signing up for the course. Yeah, come on through, S. Thompson. Love to have you. Do you have I-9 training? Yes, we do have I-9 training. Yes, that's included in the all-inclusive. Field inspection. You got all your specialty courses. You got field inspection, I-9, apostille, ink fingerprinting. Proctoring is mentioned in the specialty course. I don't have a full training on that, but it's not even one required. But it is in the specialty course. So yeah, everything you need. Andrea says the process doesn't change. I did my first deed of trust Friday. Congrats. I know. Yes, Andrea, congrats. Andrea was in mentorship with us. She did a job for us too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
She actually went and did a job. Because y'all know, like I said earlier, I don't let anybody go just do my jobs. But Andrea knows what she's doing because she's been taught to notarize like a what?
Pro.
Like a pro. That's what we said over here. Like a pro. And I always say this, guys. We get in the dirt with you, okay? Most people want to get you when you already cleaned up. You already know what to do and do all that marketing thing with you. We talk about marketing. I have a whole marketing course. But I already know if you don't know how to stamp the paper, which is not sexy, right? Nobody want to talk about that. You better read your state handbook. No, we get in the dirt with you and get you started from the ground up. Teach you how to notarize, right? And then you can fly. Because most people don't want to teach you that. But we love teaching. We're educators. All right, let's get these last few comments because we're coming up on an hour.
Yeah, and I got to get the FedEx. Traffic on this side of town.
You're going to go. You can go. I'm going to finish this last comment. Say bye to the people.
All right, people. Look, so we're looking forward to seeing you in the mentorship. And we will be able to help you to learn how to notarize properly.
Like a what?
Like a pro.
Like a what? Like a what?
Like a pro.
Like a pro.
Not a unpro. Not an unpro.
Not an unpro.
Yeah, I gotta make.
You don't want to be an
unpro.
You want to be a pro.
And that way you can start generating some funds for yourself. All right.
All right. So let's get these last few. I'm gonna get these last few questions. Right. Bye, Jeffrey.
Is this it right here?
Yeah.
And where's the package?
Downstairs on the
okay.
On that thing.
Okay.
And you sure I don't need to double check it again?
No, you've done it 3 times.
I did check it 3 times. I'm so OCD about them packages though, because all it takes is one little error and it's coming back. All right, let's get these last couple of questions and then I'm gonna get out of here too. So Andrea said the process doesn't change. I did my first deed of trust Friday. I know that I need a witness or 2 for a deed, so I asked the client, but he looked for areas and notarize and execute. Got it. Every package is different. However, I'll need training on being a trust agent, right? So again, Corey, the documents is called estate/trust. Estate/trust is a type of package. It's a type of paper. So I do have a special training on that, only because I want you to be able to talk the talk, but you don't need any special certification to do trust packages, okay? I know there's a certification out there that's floating around. I know that's like $300-$400. I know that. But I'm telling you, you don't need a special certification. My people do estate/trust packages all day long. I do too. So the only reason I wrote a course on it is because I want you to be a pro at it. Okay, those documents are a little bit different, just a wee bit. I mean, just a wee bit. I want you to be able to know what an affiant is, what a codicil is. Those are things that I want you to know when it comes to trust packages. So that's why I have the trust course, okay? Honey babe, everybody's like a pro. You're welcome, guys. And I'll tell Jeffrey, I said, hey, I'm gonna get these last few comments. Corey says, I rejected some signings, reverse mortgages, because I'm thinking, girl, Corey, that's why you do need training. But once you get training, you ain't gonna have to turn down no money. Imagine how much money you turn down. You turned down at least $200-$300 already, and training is $47. I mean, let's do the math. And I'm not being funny with you, but I know a lot of people say, well, I can't afford training. I can't afford it, Kimmy. Well, you can't afford not to. Okay? You cannot afford not to because you're costing yourself money. Either you're costing yourself money because you're not taking jobs that you could be taking, or you're costing yourself money because you're out there messing up people's documents. And they're not going to hire you anymore. So either way, you're costing yourself money. So how do you want to pay for it? You want to pay on the front end or the back end? The front end is let's get training, let's get up to date, let's do what we need to do, right? Let's get the proper knowledge, let's get the foundation. The back end is I'm going to go ahead and do this document. I haven't had no training. I'm going to just wing it and see what happens. Maybe it'll go well, maybe it won't. Maybe they'll blackball me, maybe they won't. See, that's not how we do business over here. I don't recommend you do business like that either. Okay? Corey says, thank you for the info. Lord willing, I'll be looking into a mentor, becoming a member. Yeah, we'd love to have you. Take your time, baby. Take your time. You don't have to rush. We will be here. Join the mentorship. Who is not joined us yet, you will not regret. It's really worth it. Thank you, Lisa. We appreciate it. Lisa's been with us. Lisa's doing very well. Even teaching. I got to get her back on the platform to teach some more too. Corey, one more thing. Do you only notarize or do you have a 9 to 5? Yes, I'm full-time notary at this point. Yep. I am full-time notary. Yep. I've been full-time for 3 years. Full-time. Full-time notary. That's all we do. My husband too. He's been full-time 3 years, going on 4. He's going into his 4th year. Can't believe it when I say that. Because when he first came home and said, I'm going to quit my job, I was like, oh, really? Oh, you are? The main thing that really stopped us, though, because by this point, we started during COVID. By this point, we were doing okay in the business, for real. And we were making a little money, but to cover what he was making, excuse me, but what happened was medical insurance. We need medical. And we did not have any additional medical insurance because when I worked at the hospital, I was what's called PRN. So I didn't have medical. I didn't have medical, but Jeffrey did. So I was like, we got to have medical. So anyway, we started doing our research on that and come to find out if you get an insurance broker, he can help you to find medical. So that's what he did. He helped us to find medical. So we've had it for the last 3 years. It's actually even cheaper than when Jeff was working at his job. And the funny thing about being an entrepreneur, self-employed, is that the government is designed for self-employed people. It really is. It's designed for you to win. The tax code, everything is designed for self-employed people. If you work a W-2, it's not that you should leave your job today. I'm not saying that. Please do not take what I'm saying out of context. But what I am saying is when you work for yourself, the government is designed to help you to win. Everything's a write-off. It's just amazing. I'm telling you. Who would have ever thought, again, even our medical, that's a tax deduction. Everything we do. I couldn't write off my insurance that I paid when I was working for the company, and my husband couldn't either. So yes, this is all we do. Love it. Yes, we want you to win. Miss D says, thanks, Sister Kimmy, Brother Jeff. Thank y'all. Andrea says she's still working 9 to 5 and get plenty of notary assignments. Yep. You gotta know how to work the game. June says, I have both the hardback and the paper. Thank you, June. It's good to see you too. It's been a while. Corey is in California. Yeah, we got a couple of California students. And actually, because of California, our 7-day-a-week chat is open till like around 11 or midnight if you have a signing. Because I know you need help sometime on the West Coast. We got West Coast, Pacific Coast, Mountain Time. We got Nevada, California, a lot of Texans and Georgians. Floridians too. So Texas. I mean California. Yeah, we definitely have California people. Winona is in South Carolina. And are you in South Carolina or DC? Because I see two states for you. You guys are so welcome. It's our pleasure. Thank you all. Right, estate/trust. Got it. Okay, thank you. You're so welcome. That part, awesome. I was wondering about medical insurance. Thanks, Sister Kimmy. You're so welcome. I need to ask you a question off the chat. You can email us at info@notaryeducators.com. Hey, Ingrid, what's up? What's up? We said hi to everybody else. Honey babe. Miss Winona, welcome. Who is that? Michael, info@notaryeducators.com is the email address. Michael says black car. Thanks for the info. You're so welcome, Michael. We need more men, Michael. Come on and join us. Audrey says, have done some signing with Safe Cure about 8. Congratulations, Audrey. I'm so glad you're working your business. Audrey been around for a minute. I'm so glad, Audrey. That really made my day to see you're actually doing some signings. Congratulations. She was in mentorship too, and she's just been with us forever. I'm so happy for you. I'm gonna ask you this, Audrey, then I'm gonna get out of here. Audrey, how did the training help you to be more confident, and what made you go ahead and get out there? Because I know that took you a minute to get started. And I'm so proud of you, for real. How did the training help you? Did it help you to be more confident? And what was the thing that made you say, you know what, dog it, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I just know too much. What was it, Audrey? What was it? Hey, S. Thompson, you're welcome. Congrats. They telling you congrats, Audrey. That's great. I'm happy for you for 8 signings. What made you, and what's your experience with Safe Secure? So I'm asking you 3 questions. I was just ready and listened to you. Listen to your help. I'm glad, Audrey. I'm so happy because once you do 1 or 2 and you get them under, you be ready to go, right? Audrey, you just made my day. How do you like working for Safe Secure? How do you like working for them? Safe Cure. Tell me that. I'm going to get ready to go because it's been over an hour now. How do you like working for them? Because I've heard that name before, but I've never accepted an assignment from them. I need a few things. I always need something from the store. We're about to wrap it up anyway. I'm waiting on Audrey. So don't forget, guys, all things notary, notaryeducators.com. You can check out some free. Okay, I got that when you was just ready and listened to my help and start moving. Oh, I'm waiting on you to comment. That's right. Yeah, so all things notary, check out notaryeducators.com. Our next live session this week, you can look at the calendar to see what we're going to be talking about for the month of October. For October, we have 2 members actually teaching. We have Lori Wilson teaching and Angela. Oh, Angela, I'm drawing a blank. Angela is teaching a class for us this week, this month. I can't think of Angela's last name. Oh, Angela Brown. She's going to be doing field inspection tips. We're going to talk about that one session this month. And we're also doing customer service because a lot of y'all need help with our customer service. So Lori's going to lead a session on that. And I'm excited. Yeah. And then we'll get Lisa back up there. And then we got a couple more of our students that are doing so well that I want them to share some of their experience. I know people get sick of hearing me talk all the time. So I want to use some of the people in the group. So Lisa led a session last month on loan signing. So if you miss a live session, you can always go back and get the replay. Audrey, I don't know. Okay, here go Audrey. Let's see. She said, yeah, they're good. They're coming from signing order. No problem yet. Okay, cool. I might take one of their signings because I have not, like I was saying earlier. Audrey, again, much congrats to you, my friend. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for you. I'm going to tell Alexis too. Well, guys, I'm going to get out of here. On behalf of Notary Educators, again, keep shining, keep doing amazing. Keep notarizing like a pro, for real. I want y'all notarizing like a pro. Don't stamp no paper and you don't know what you're doing out there. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are so welcome. Okay, you are so welcome, Audrey. Keep going, honey. And if you ever want to come back, Audrey, just to come to the live sessions, anybody, you can sign up for the $27 plan. If you've been in mentorship before and maybe the $47 didn't work for you, if you just want to come to the live sessions, you can do the $27 per month. I don't know how else to write it on the, I don't want to make it too confusing on the website, but you can always sign up for the $27 package and come to the live sessions if you wanted to, you know. All right, guys. Well, on behalf of Notary Educators, I'm out. All things notary, notaryeducators.com. We're going to keep on notarizing like a what? Like a what? Like a what? Like a pro. All right, guys. Bye.